Hey, Tech Vibe fam, imagine pulling a drone out of your pocket, launching it in seconds, and capturing shots that look like they came straight out of a pro filmmaker's playbook. That's the promise of DJI's brand new Neo 2, and it's shaping up to be one of the most exciting compact drones of 2025. So, when's it coming? All eyes are on late 2025, likely around the September to November window when DJI typically unveils its consumer-focused gear. Leaks from recent regulatory filings suggest this model is already deep in production, meaning we won't be waiting too long before it hits the skies. Now, what makes the Neo 2 different from its predecessor? First, flight time. The original Neo capped out at about 18 minutes, which was fine for beginners but limiting for creators. With the Neo 2's upgraded 1606 mAh battery, early whispers suggest we could see flights stretching past 23 minutes. That might not sound huge, but when you're mid-flight chasing a sunset or framing the perfect reveal shot, those extra minutes feel like gold. Then there's the camera system. DJI is reportedly stepping things up with a larger sensor, possibly a 1/1.3-inch CMOS. That means better low-light performance, richer detail, and true 4K at 60 frames per second video recording. Pair that with improved image stabilization and smarter AI processing, and you're looking at footage that feels cinematic straight out of the box. For new pilots and casual content creators, that's a massive leap forward. Safety and tracking are also getting upgrades. The Neo 2 is expected to feature enhanced AI subject tracking, locking onto moving subjects with greater precision. And while DJI is keeping this drone lightweight enough to avoid heavy regulations, we could see the inclusion of basic obstacle detection, a feature that gives pilots more confidence while flying in tricky environments. The design language? Sleek, minimal, and ultra-portable. The Neo 2 is still positioned as a beginner-friendly drone, but DJI is trimming and refining the build to make it even easier to carry. Think palm-sized power with pro-level polish. Price is always a key question. The original Neo launched at around $199, making it one of DJI's most accessible drones ever. The Neo 2, with its bigger battery, better camera, and smarter features, is expected to climb slightly. Predictions put the base version around $229, with a Fly More combo bundle, extra batteries, case, and accessories, landing closer to $529. Still affordable for what it offers, especially compared to higher-end drones in DJI's lineup. So who's this drone for? If you're just stepping into the drone world, this is the perfect gateway, affordable, lightweight, and packed with safety features. If you're a content creator on the move, the Neo 2 is a pocket-sized tool that can elevate your shots without weighing down your bag. And even if you're already a Neo owner, the longer flight time and camera improvements make the upgrade worth considering. But here's the hook: DJI is carefully walking the line between keeping the Neo series beginner-friendly and pushing the limits of what a sub-$300 drone can do. The Neo 2 isn't meant to replace your Mavic or Air, it's designed to be that always-with-you drone. The one you pull out at a family picnic, a weekend road trip, or a spur-of-the-moment hike. And that, more than anything, makes it special. So, as we head toward launch, one thing is clear: the DJI Neo 2 is shaping up to be more than just an incremental update. It's a thoughtful step forward for entry-level drones, offering longer flights, sharper visuals, smarter tracking, and a price that keeps it accessible to nearly everyone. That's your sneak peek into the skies with the DJI Neo 2. If you want to stay updated on DJI's upcoming releases and catch all the breakdowns of the latest drones, cameras, and smart tech, make sure to subscribe to Tech Vibe, because the next few months are going to be packed with gear you won't want to miss.